Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to take a look at a couple of new cases from Casetify for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. And a big thanks to Casetify for sending these out to review. As you can see in front of me, I do have three different cases here. Two of them are designs that I chose, and one is a custom option. Now, the types of cases that these are, we have the Impact Crush and the Impact Case. They're very similar, but have some differences. But the similarities are they have 6.6 feet of drop protection. They offer wireless charging capability, of course. They're both made of 65% recycled materials, which is nice and eco-friendly. They both have antimicrobial coatings, which eliminates 99% of bacteria. And of course, they're both very slim, but offer a lot of protection. Before we go on and check these out, if you guys are interested in looking at any of the designs or any of the customization options, check out my link, casetify.com/IansTech. And on top of that, you also get 15% off if you use my code 15IansTech. Now, you guys know the first one I had to check out is this dragon. This was the design I absolutely had to have. So this one looks so sick. So as you can see, we have this glossy embossed snake on the back, and it is black on black. Now, this case is customizable. So as I was mentioning, the differences between the Impact Case and the Impact Crush case. So this is the Impact Case, and this one's gonna have more color options. So for example, if I wanted to change this case, this one is in black, so it's black on black. If I wanted to change this one, you have the choice between a clear and black, a clear frost, clear pink, iridescent, and this matte black that I have here. These are gonna be really, really protective cases. So obviously, as I mentioned, 6.6 feet of drop protection. So as you can see, it is super rigid. It is going to be very protective. You can see the sides everywhere here. It is going to be a very protective case. All right, so let's pop our phone inside and take a quick look here. So as you can see, I have the white S22 Ultra. We do have a large cutout for the camera. So even though it doesn't have a camera bump, I would have liked to see it go around the lenses, but not a lot of case makers are doing that, but it still looks pretty good. We have the Casetify branding going all the way around it. Now that it has a little hump around it, so it will protect the back of the camera. So no issues putting it on a table there. On the front, you can see we do have a nice lip of protection going all the way around, and it does end right at the edge here. And just to make sure that it doesn't interfere with any of the edge of the display here, slide over like so, and I'll show you that one more time, and see it works just fine there. I just can't get over how good that looks, that embossed snake. So of course you can change this design a little bit too, and when you add it with clear, it has this embossed on a clear back. So there are just many choices for customization with these, and I absolutely love that. So on the side, you can see it is a smooth side here. We have our button covers with little vents in them. So over time, debris may get in here, so you might want to take the case off and clean it. But as you can see, nice and clicky buttons. So no issues there. On the side here, it also does tell you that this case is made from 65% recycled material. On the other side, of course, there is nothing. It is smooth to the touch. On the top, we have a microphone cutout. It is perfect there. And taking a look at the bottom, you can see we have our USB-C with a little microphone cut out there, speaker, as well as our S Pen. And just to make sure that this works pretty well, you can see it's a little thicker here. It looks like it does bevel just a little bit. This one might be a little bit difficult to get to. Let's see. All right, and looks like it is just fine. So let's try one more time. There we go. And of course, they do say that it is compatible with most wireless chargers, so let's go and try that out. And voila, it works just fine. And so that is just a look at the Impact Case with the snake design. I absolutely love this one. All right, the next one we'll take a look at is the Impact Crush. And this one's gonna be just a little different, very similar though. So as you can see, the biggest difference between the Impact Case and the Impact Crush is basically on the sides here. As you can see, it says flex all the way around, going all the way around like so. And this one's just gonna have less color options, but it does have this cool design on the side. So the color choices you have here are matte black, you've got clear, clear, and clear black. And I think this is the clear, clear because you can actually see right inside here. So, and as you can see, this is a custom personalized option. We have my initials right here, and these are in a black and red lettering going all the way across here. Now, there are plenty of customization options. If you wanted to go this route, you can change the layout of where the text shows up on the case. You can change the font. You can also go in and change the text color, and there are a lot of different options, including like a rainbow option as well. So you can definitely get this customized, and no one will have the same case as you. All right, now being that this is a Impact Crush, it's gonna be very similar to the regular Impact Case. So the looks and everything should be the same. Protection, all that stuff is gonna be exactly the same. So as you can see, we have this really nice clear, and you can see Samsung right there through the through my initials right there. And I think this looks pretty good. As you can see, we have Casetify branding. It's gonna have that same little camera bump, so you can place it down on the table without worrying about your phone. This really doesn't add a lot of bulk at all to the phone. You can see we do have that lip of protection, the same as the impact case, going all the way around. And I'll just show you that that works just fine with the side panel, like so. So you can actually use your screen without it being interfered with. Taking a look at the side, you can see that it is exactly the same as the regular impact case. We do have little vents inside there, so debris may get in there over time, so you may want to just take the case off every now and clean it. But you can see button covers are nice and clicky as well. And I really do like the flakes in here. That looks really, really cool. It kind of reminds me, it gives me a little bit of 90s vibe going. You can see we have a nice cutout for our microphone. On the bottom, same thing here. We have a nice cutout for our USB-C as well as microphone here, and speaker, and our S Pen. Of course, let's test that out just to make sure. And there you go. It works just fine. So I'll just show you that one more time. So you do still have to use a fingernail, but it works just fine. All right, and a quick wireless charging test. Now this one is of course compatible with wireless chargers as well. So I'll just do that real quick. And as you can see, it starts charging right away. And that's a look at a personalized Impact Crush. All right, the last one we'll take a look at is another impact case, and this one is in clear, I believe, and we have this really nice painting on it. So as you can see, we have this really nice painting, and it is completely clear, so it just looks like it was painted right on the case. I really like that. And then you can see this is the clear, so you can actually see the little rubber pieces on the inside for protection, but you can see right through to the sides as well, so you can see the color of your case. So this one really looks good. I'm really liking this one. All right, let's place our phone inside and take a look. All right, and as you can see, we can see the color of our S22 Ultra right through, and we just get this beautiful painting right on top of it. Now, we have the same cutout as the other impact case, Casetify branding, a little camera bump there, so you can place it down on the table, no issue there. We also have that same lip of protection going all the way around, except this time it is completely clear, so you can see right through your phone, any portion that doesn't have the little rubber stip on there. Now, on the side, you can see same button covers on here. So again, they do have little vents in them, so debris may get in there over time, so you may just want to clean that out if it does get dirty. But everything feels really nice. Taking a look at the bottom, you can see we have a nice clear view, except for right here, USB-C, speaker, and S Pen. And just checking that out here. You can see that works just fine. Do that one more time. Comes out just as easily there. So this one looks really, really nice. And just to give you a quick comparison between the black, or the matte black, and the clear, that's how that's going to look. So you can get this, again, like I said, you can get this design in this, so it would have the snake just embossed on the clear back. So you have plenty of choices when it comes to these designs. And I'm sure that if you get one of these designs, I'm sure somebody out there doesn't have it, but it is just crazy how many that they offer. So that's just a quick look at the difference here. So it's black on black, and this is clear. And yeah, so you have plenty of choices here. Alright guys, so there you have it, a quick look at a couple of new cases from Casetify. So we have the Impact case and the Impact Crush. And again, these are both $65. However, you can get 15% off if you use my code 15IANSTech. Just check out my link, casetify.com/IANSTech, for these cases plus more. And of course, again, Casetify has endless design options and personalization options to find a case suitable for you. So if you guys have any questions or comments on these cases, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.